Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. As you can see from the title, this is a room tour. Yes, recently my husband and I went to Jamaica to celebrate our 30th wedding anniversary, and we stayed at the Rio Palace in Montego Bay. So just in case you all are thinking about staying at Rio Palace, I just decided to do this room tour so you can see exactly what's in it. Now, only thing I'll tell you about this room, it is a suite, king size bed. So it has a jacuzzi. It's an ocean view. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this mini tour of this room. Come here. Okay, once you come inside the room, this is what you will see. Hi. Come inside. This door is the bathroom. This is a step-in shower. Then his and her sinks. Then we have tub. Come back out. Here, let's see what this is. Closet. We can hang all our clothes up. Safe. Little coffee station. If you go up, you got your liquor. Back on this side. Oh, we got a sign that says happy anniversary. Hey. Side, you get your little table, little couch, and outside, you got your little patio. Open the door, come out to the patio, and on the patio, you can see everything. And then we also have a jacuzzi outside. Everything looks so beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed this mini tour. I will leave all the information in the description section of this video about this resort. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.